Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve Accenture actual exam question asked today's, that is 7th of September 2023. So let us start with the question number one, and question number one here is a data sufficiency problem. So five girlfriends, many of you will start smiling. Five girls are there and they are friends. A, B, C, D, E, and F are standing in a row facing east. Who is standing at the extreme end? Now we have been given two statements, statement one and a statement two. So first take statement one. Only A is between D and E. So basically total five members are there. So 3, 4, 5. I will make two diagram because there will be possibility will be also there. Now, so only A is between D and E. So what I am doing, D and E I am placing here and then A in between because A is between D and E. C is to the immediate right of E. So C I will put here immediate right. So E immediate right will be E. Now you may say, sir, why D will sit here? D can also sit here, right? So D and E can sit here, then A will sit here, and C is right to E, immediate right. So like this. Both, yes, both the diagrams are correct because these are the possibility. Now, some of you might say, sir, A is between D and E. So E can sit here and D can sit here. Why you have taken D and E here? The reason is C is to the immediate right of E. So if E sits here, then immediate right C will not be able to sit. So this is the only possibility. So from a statement one, we cannot say that who is in the middle. We will take the help of a statement two. C is between E and B. Now, if C sits here, then C is between E and B. Then this is the end. B cannot sit. So definitely C has to sit here. Then only C will be sitting in between E and B. This is from the statement two. So when we combine the statement one and two, we are able to say that E is sitting between, E is sitting in the middle. So we need both statement one and two to answer this particular question. Question number two. So in a certain code, this was a good question. In a certain code language, okay, so pine is coded as pine. So pine is coded as OQHJMODF. Okay, now, so let us try to understand the logic here. So friends, OPQ, right? So P is here, OQ is here. That means one letter before and one letter after, right? So one letter before, one letter after. HIJ, one letter before, one letter after. Then MNO, one letter before, one letter after, one letter before, one letter after, right? Okay. That means this is the logic. Now we have Jeta. So now we have Jeta, no problem. So again, we will do the same thing. One letter before Y, one letter after ZA, one letter before D, and one letter after F, DEF. Then S, T, U. Then Z, A, B. So let us search for this option YADFSUZB. Option D is the correct answer. Now, friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So questions in the exam are repeating. So if you solve previous question, which has been asked like 5th of September, 6th of September, 1st of September, then it will be easy for you to crack the Accenture exam. Now, this question is a very good question. So basically, this is your homework. So please solve. So homework. So please solve and let us know your answer in the comment section. Next problem, mark the option that best completes the comparison. Many of the students were not able to do this. So cricket is written as CCEIKRT. Friends, the logic is very simple. Okay, so student started using like, okay, C will come here, C will come here. No, it is arranged in alphabetical order, like how it will be arranged in your dictionary. So it is arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, C, C, and then E will come, and I, whatever alphabets is given, in that C will come first, then C, then E, then I, then K, then R, and T. So skating, right? So skating, now if we'll try to see here. So alphabetically we have to arrange. So first A will come, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So A, G, I, K, N, S, T, right? So friends, if you are really serious about cracking Accenture examination, right? Because where some not question, each and everything is there. Then friends, get our course if you're really serious, because we have covered, you see, so we have covered today's exam, Accenture 7 September question. 5th September PDF file is there, so if you'll open, right, so you'll be able to see the PDF files are there, right? So 6th of September and 7th of September already I am doing the question. 5th of September examination question is there. 1st of September coding questions, cognitive, pseudocode also we are going to add now. So if you're really serious and you wanted to crack because questions are repeating, get it right now. The link is in description. I will not say much. And here cloud, Microsoft, Excel, Word, each and everything has been covered, and 10 test series is there so that you will be able to give a real test. Okay, so here you will be able to give a real test. That's how, and it happens in exam. If you go to the content, right, and if you'll see the Accenture test series, right, and if you'll click here, if you'll see the preview, so it will be similar to how you will be getting in, I mean in examination, right? So if you mark it, right, so it will show your rank also, right? So you will be able to see this kind of questions will be asked in the examination. So get it today, this limited time, and definitely crack it. Even in 1 or 2 days you can crack it. Now all states are countries, so all states are countries. Okay, so all states are countries. Okay, now friends, one thing we remember, so if you're saying all states are countries, right, so if you say all states are countries, then you can say, sir, some country are, states, right? So this you can say, fine, no problem. Okay, then no state is a continent, so no state is a continent, no state is a continent. Okay, fine, no problem. Now what are the conclusion? Let us see. So no state is a continent. Now no country is a continent. Friends, country and continent, there might be a relation. I can draw continent like this, right? See, so they are telling no state is a continent. Okay, no problem, there is no relation. And some countries are continent, so I can draw a relation like this. So this is incorrect. So if they're saying no country is a country, many of the students will see that there is no direct relation has been given, and they will say this is correct. No, don't do that mistake in the examination. Okay, so because this diagram can be drawn like this, there is a possibility, so first one becomes wrong. Now second ones, some countries are not continent, right? Okay, so friends, you see there, if you say all states are countries, you can say some countries are states, right? So some countries are a state. So suppose this part of countries are a state, this part of countries are a state, suppose this part of countries are a state, and they're clearly telling state, no state is continent, right? So I can say some countries which are state are not continent will be true. Yes, because there are some part of countries which are state and they've clearly told no state is a continent. So only conclusion 2 follows here. So only conclusion 2 follows here. Clear? Okay, so this kind of problems, many of them are not able to do. But if you'll see in our videos, right, so if you'll see figure based problem, already we have done this kind of problem. So I mean, if you would have gone through the courses, then today's exam you would have found it very, very, this thing. See, already this kind of questions has been done or not? Yes, it has been already done. So we have covered each and everything in the course, right? So you can check the overview and get it today itself, read it, and tomorrow you might do wonder in the examination. Now let us see how can we solve it. So friends, here the condition will be given, so no two rows or two columns will be having the same elements. Okay, fine. So here we have four elements: pi, I, infinity, and percentage. Okay, so let us consider any row or any column. So if you'll see this particular row, we will see row 2. So we have pi, we have infinity. Percentage will not come here because no two elements should be same in rows and columns. So percentage will come here, then I will automatically come here. Okay, fine. Okay, then fine. Okay, now we will take some other one. Okay, so we'll have to think a bit, right? Okay, so here infinity and percentage is there, right? Okay, now in this I cannot come here, so I will come here because I is already here. So this row will become same content, so then pi will come here. So this is completed. Okay, so this two basically column 3 and row 2 is completed. Fine. Okay, now so if you'll see the row 1, percentage cannot come here because percentage is already there. So I pi here, infinity will come. Now basically this particular row we need. So here infinity I percentage is there, then what is left? Then left is nothing but pi. So pi will come here. Okay, now pi percentage I is here, so I will come here, and then we have pi percentage I infinity will come there, right? So we have I percentage infinity, I percentage infinity we have. So then what will come here? Pi. So that option 2 will become the correct answer. That means C. So C will be the correct answer for this particular problem. So basically pi will come here. See, some of you might do in the less number of steps. It depends upon how are you starting. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now, friends, this particular question. So definitely that has been done in the course, right? Okay. So fine, and then find the missing terms in the series given below. We have 40, we have 200, we have 700, we have 1400. What will be next? So basically, if you'll see, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3.5, multiplied by 2. So 5, and when we subtracted 1.5, it gave me 3.5. 3.5, if I subtracted 1.5, it gave me 2. So 2 minus 1.5, it gave me 0.5. That means the next will be 0.5, and it is nothing but 700. 0.5 is what? So 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2, so it will be 700. So 700 will be the correct answer. Control plus F shortcut key is used to open file window for current document, web page, windows. So basically Control plus F shortcut key is generally will be used to find in current document and web page. Okay, fine. Then this particular question, friends, I have done in this crash course itself, because this is little lengthy and I had to explain you, so it will take time. So has been already done in the crash course. Okay, in the today's today's Accenture 7th of September questions. Then mark the odd one out. So this is the same question which I had done on 5th of September. Okay, similar, exactly similar question, right? So that's the reason. So if you are not going to the crash course, you will definitely have a tough time in the exam. Now, so here if you'll see, this is 24. If you multiply by 3, it will give you 72. Then 11, if you multiply by 3, it will give you 33. 32, if you multiply by 3, you will be getting the first 2 digits basically. Now here 28 into 3 will be what? So it will be 84, but here it is 87. So this is odd one out. So 8728. Okay, now next question. So mark the odd one out from the given option. I will give you hints here. Okay, so this is basically for Fiji, right? And Cuba. So these are some Caribbean countries. So just try to understand what exactly is this, and then let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. So we will try to do more number of questions, and we will be updating more questions in the course itself, pseudocode, coding, and all.